how to skip ads on YouTube Smart TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to skip ads on YouTube on your smart TV. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first step is to open up YouTube on your smart TV and start playing a video. After that, you'll notice that some videos will begin with an advert. There are two types of ads. The first kind automatically skips after a few seconds. You'll see a countdown like your video will begin in 6 seconds. Then, for the ads that require you to manually skip, wait for the timer, usually 5 seconds in the bottom right corner, to finish. After the timer is up, hover over the skip ad button using your smart TV's remote and click it. Your video will then start playing. Alternatively, if you want to avoid ads altogether, consider subscribing to YouTube Premium, which eliminates ads on all videos across devices, including smart TVs. So that's basically how you can skip ads on YouTube on your smart TV. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.